Hello! Today we have something a little bit special. Straying away from all of the major sneaker brands, I finally got my hands on this very special sneaker. Have to show you the packaging for this box. As you can see, it comes with little handles, so that way you can just carry this around no problem. If you're familiar with the sneaker industry, then you already know what this is. So today we have a special unboxing for Vandy the Pink Tofu Burger sneaker. Let's talk about the packaging first. First off, like I already shared, this comes with handles already attached. They're just kind of like rope laces. You got a little cutout for where they go, as well as like they look like stickers, but they are not. They're actually printed on the box. You have a bunch of Vandy circle kind of like sticker stamps, but like I said, they're already printed on the box. This little design is all over the lid on the sides, so I feel like it's a very wholesome unboxing experience. Interestingly enough, the bottom of the box kind of has the most info. So here you got the Vandy the Pink logo. It says that these sneakers are 100% organic footwear. It says that the sneaker was made for friends and family. Kind of true, as the public kind of sorta not really had access. Then you have a classic Vandy burger icon on the very corner. Love that there's a little Recycle It Vandy design stamp of approval right next to it. On the very top of the box, you have this McDonald's-like kind of smile. I think this design is paying homage to kind of like the Happy Meals in a way. I love this. A Happy Meal, a happy sneakerhead. Love that this doesn't come with your typical size tag sticker. Instead, it looks like the Vandy the Pink team made these kind of size stickers in the same kind of font and branding as the rest of the box and brand. And then I can only assume that they placed these on each of the corresponding sneaker. Lately, I've been debating on going with a 5 or 6. I feel like I am a 5.5 right dead center in the middle. Not always available for me, and these sneakers actually came in men's sizes 4 through 13, as well as kid sizes. This came in a 13C, as well as 1U through 3U. Okay, I'm ready. Let's open this up. It's actually really easy to open up. You have some Vandy the Pink tissue paper. Love that they wrapped the sneakers in this. Yellow tissue paper printed with orange graphics. One of the things I love about Vandy the Pink is that each sneaker comes with this really cute burger plush pin. I love plushies and I am in love with this. I love that I have something extra to go along with the sneaker. It also is like super cute for like a jean jacket or a bomber. I just feel like it's a really nice added touch. Plus, how often do you see sneakers come with accessories? It's more recent, I think, but it's pretty rare for them to always come with some kind of little accessory other than shoelaces. Creators can create too. Wow. Ooh, got some stickers. Inside the box, you had 2 Vandy the Pink stickers. Ooh, check out this tofu burger. The Vandy the Pink Tofu Burger sneaker released on July 30th. Vandy the Pink collaborated with Milk and Cream Cereal Bar in Nolita, New York City. They hosted a collaborative pop-up that featured Vandy the Pink burger ice cream sandwiches, as well as a tofu-inspired ice cream swirl. The pop-up lasted from July 30th through July 31st, and then the sneakers released shortly after online. These bad boys go for a retail price of $195 US. Like I said, I did get my size 6, and I will say they fit very true to size. If you're like me and you're in between 2 different sizes, I would go the size up, just because I envision my feet kind of like swelling a little bit, so I want them to still be comfy. I don't think the size 5 would have allowed for that little extra room of my feet swelling and whatever else happens. So yes, go true to size on these guys. Let's look a little bit more into the sneakers. The burger sneaker is one of the most iconic sneakers to date, mainly because it featured a burger-like colorway as well as a French fry as a replacement for what some might deem the Nike swoosh. There are kind of Nike dunk-like qualities to the shoe, although I'm pretty sure there's no copyright infringement going on. The upper is made of canvas all over the shoe. You got a classic outsole. This one one comes in a little off-white to go with that tofu-like color. What I love about Vandy the Pink is that he invested in his own outsole mold. So you'll see custom Vandy branding here and a little flower to pay homage to the brand. What I love about Vandy the Pink is that he took out the investment to make custom soles. For those of you who don't know, it is extremely expensive to customize and make your own sole mold. Essentially, you'll have to pay for each size run of that custom mold, which can be a little bit pricey. So I think you have to take note. I mean, how many sneakers has French fries on the outsole? Looking a little bit at the upper, love how these pieces are really overlaid on top of each other and they just look very seamless. Stitch quality is on point. I don't see any issues, any kind of flare-ups. I mean, the QC, the QA on this must have been pretty solid, and or he just has an amazing manufacturer for the shoe. Surrounding the sock liner, you do see little hints of embroidered sesame seeds in the same similar color featured throughout this Tofu sneaker. They're featured on both the medial and lateral sides of the sneaker. But I love that. I feel like it just adds just enough of a hit and detail to not take away or add too much to the rest of the shoe. If you really look at the stitching, I mean, that's where you can kind of see how intense those details are, but I feel like it is extremely well done for the overlays. Looks like you have a nylon sock liner, and I love that it's extremely plush on the heel and surrounding your entire heel. One thing you have to note is that the insoles are quilted and they do have a little Vandy the Pink hit branding. The quilted insole, I mean, who knew how much of a difference that comfort would make? It feels like each step is a little plush. The sneakers came already laced up in flat laces in a color that is similar to the rest of the shoe. I do love the monochrome color of the shoe, and that was one of the reasons why I purchased it. If you guys have also seen my unboxing of the Donald Glover New Balance sneaker, I talked a little bit about how much I've been wanting a clean, almost all white sneaker. Been loving that one, and it's been going great with like sweatpants and shorts and just like casual wear in general. This feels like a fall sneaker. I'm not entirely sure why. I think it's just like the way that the monochrome kind of comes all out. I just envision myself wearing this a lot this coming fall. Looking at the tongue, you have a Vandy the Pink tongue tag sewed on, and once again, the tongue also feels just as plush as the rest of the back heel sneaker. One small little detail is that it says that it's the original Vandy on the very smallest font of this tongue tag. The back heel has Vandy written in almost like this bubble font. If you remember back in the 90s, it was so big. Just love how fine and detailed the embroidery is on top of the embroidery of the letters, also the outline of the letters too. I feel like it's just a pristine detail. I'm obsessed with this sneaker. I've been wanting Vandy the Pink shoes for the longest time. A little bit about Vandy the Pink. The brand is founded by Junghoon Son. He founded the brand in 2017 as a way to express himself. Vandy the Pink has featured a lot of custom sneakers as well as streetwear clothing. The brand's name, Vandy the Pink, originated from his mother's clothing store. In addition, Vandy translates in Korean to firefly. Junghoon mentioned that he saw the firefly as a symbol of hope as it's able to light up the night. The pink comes from the direct Korean translation, pink light. It's a metaphor for an optimistic, hopeful state. When you're not happy with your life, go and make something great. And that's exactly what Junghoon did in creating Vandy the Pink. Gotta love a little storytelling. All right, stay tuned for some on-foot footage of this sneaker. Would you guys ever buy a Vandy the Pink sneaker? Let me know in the comments below what you think about these smaller brands entering the sneaker market. For the longest time, I used to be obsessed with like everything Nike, and now we're here. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for some on-foot footage. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.